Hi, I'm Louisa and I'm going to show you how to make this cute little reindeer garland with your kids for this Christmas. For this project you will need a drop sheet, cardboard scissors and a permanent marker, hessian, some pegs, twine, craft glue, some decorations and some hooks. The first thing I'm going to do is pull out this drop sheet because we're going to be using some craft glue. I just want to protect our surface. So you don't need to use a drop sheet. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can use newspaper or an old sheet from home. We need to cut out triangles of hessian for our reindeer faces. So that all our reindeer faces are the same, we've created a stencil using some old cardboard from a box. So once you've traced your shape, it's time to cut it out. So now it's time to make the reindeer faces. This is hessian. You can buy it by the metre. I've cut these pieces down to size to create our 12 faces. So if you're wondering why 12, Santa does have 12 reindeers. So I'm just using my stencil to mark out the faces on the hessian. So a good trick when tracing your hessian is to have your shapes next to each other so that there's less wastage of hessian. Now that you have it all drawn out, it's time to cut out your faces. So now we have all our reindeer faces cut out, ready to decorate. If you don't feel like doing reindeer faces, you can always decorate them some other way, like putting season greetings, happy holidays, anything like that. To create our faces, I'm using the hessian triangles that we've cut out earlier. I've got some noses and a special one for Rudolph. And we've got some eyes and I'm going to be sticking them on with this craft glue. So I'm going to pop 2 drops of glue at the top here for the eyes and 1 down here for the nose. And there is Rudolph's special red nose. So now that the glue's dried and our little eyes and noses are in place on our triangles, it's time to create the garland. So leave enough room from the end of your twine to your first triangle so that you can tie them up. So we just grab our little triangles, pop them over the string, and then to create the ears, we use the pegs to secure the garland in place. So there you have it, some fun decorations to make with the kids this Christmas.